The attorney for the man punched by a former officer says it is crucial for the public to see this video footage in the name of accountability.
You need help?
It's an encounter between a Detroiter and a now former Detroit police officer that's prompted criminal charges of misconduct in office and assault and battery. At the corner of 7 Mile and Van Dyke, police approaching a man just walking to a nearby gas station and quickly insulting him for what he's wearing.
You wearing a weird coat.
From there, it gets worse. You can see former officer Anthony Smith telling a partner to hold his things, hinting a confrontation is about to unfold.
Hold this.
Smith, with a cigarette in hand, keeps taunting the man he's face to face with, who replies the following. And seconds later, the man who's removed his shirt to prove he has no weapons is suddenly struck. After sucker punching the citizen, former officer Smith and others on scene decide it's time to make an arrest for resisting and obstructing.
You're gonna get tased. Hey, relax, relax.
I ain't did nothing. He just punched me. I'm not finna hit you.
Relax.
Big dog, I'm not finna do nothing. I'm not finna do.
We've learned Smith has since resigned and will appear in court November 12th for a preliminary exam. Police say other officers were also suspended. This all happened back in December 2018, but attorney Dion Webster Cox has now filed a lawsuit alleging false arrest, false imprisonment, emotional distress, assault and battery, and gross negligence.
He was already on probation. My client ended up having to spend 2 weeks in Wayne County Jail, and then he was violated on his probation, had to spend 90 days in the psych ward for just walking down the street and getting hit by an officer.
Webster Cox says her client suffers from mental health issues, now made worse by this altercation.
He's not the same person as he was walking up that day, and I doubt right now it's hard for him to sleep. He still has dreams about it. When he goes up to that gas station in that area, sometimes he might see one of the officers. They tease him about it.
In response, an attorney for Smith issued a statement that reads, under Michigan law, an assault occurs when an individual does an act that would cause a reasonable person to fear or apprehend an immediate battery. The facts of this case will paint a much better picture than any statement Mr. Smith or I could make today. We very much look forward to defending this matter in a court of law, and will have no further comment at this time.
He just punched me, bro. He stepped in my face, bro.
You gotta go to jail, man.
He's walking down the street, and what does he see? A pack. It was horrific, right? It was just absolutely horrific.
To read a full statement from Detroit Police in response to our story, just go to our website, wxyz.com. Simon Shakette, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Simon.